Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's 2020. I know that I'm doing my first video in February, but you know what, life last month for me was not really a good month, and so I just felt like if I'm mentally not okay, I didn't think it would be wise for me to come on YouTube. But I'm feeling a lot better now, and Valentine's Day is literally the day that I'm filming this. It's literally, I don't know, like 2 days away. But I wanted to create this makeup look for Valentine's Day. Not just Valentine's Day, I mean any date night. I mean every day is Valentine's Day for me, babies. So I don't want to talk for too long, so before this video starts, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and let's just get into the video. So I'm done with my brows for now. I'll clean up the top when I'm doing my face. So I'm gonna go on to eyeshadow. I'm gonna be starting with the Anastasia Riviera, I think that's how you pronounce it, palette. To begin with, I'm gonna go in with that shade Bahamas, and I'm just gonna kind of like pack this all over my lid. Then I'm going to use a clean brush which has no product on it, just to buff out the edges. Then I'm going to go into that pink shimmer here. I think it's pronounced Palomo, I don't know. I'm just going to put this in the center of my eyelid. Then I'm getting my Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette, and as you can see I use this a lot, but this is like the coral shimmer that's in there, and I'm gonna put that in the center of the pink. It's not really showing up that well. Okay, I'm gonna wet my brush because it's not really showing up that well. Way better. Then I'm gonna get my Inglot gel eyeliner in the shade 77. So I'm gonna line my lash line. Do quite a thick line actually, and then like taper it out. Then I'm gonna go into my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I'm going into this black shade here, and I'm just gonna stamp with like a pencil brush and then smoke out that black. I'm not even gonna lie, Valentine's Day is really not an important day at all. But you know what? Capitalism has actually got us in a chokehold. That being said, I love money being spent on me. So this is why I do my eyeshadow first, because I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I've got loads of fallout in my under eyes. So I'm just gonna wipe that away and then go on to my face. So for foundation, I'm using my favorite foundation, which is the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. And this is in the shade Golden Almond. I don't know why nobody talks about this. So I always focus my foundation in the center of my face, because if you like just put it everywhere, it's gonna end up looking like a mask. Make sure to drag it down your neck as well, so you don't look like a floating head. My skin looks really nice. I really love how this foundation looks, so I'm now gonna highlight, and I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer, and this is in the shade 12.5. This concealer is actually so good, and it's only £4. So I don't put like loads of concealer. This might be loads of concealer to somebody, but honestly I don't put loads, and I make sure not to put it directly under my eye, because that's how you get creasing. So I always make sure that I get my foundation brush and just kind of like blend around those edges so that everything is properly blended out. So I like to cream contour as well. This is a foundation I got like last year from some company that found me on Instagram. This is the Cake foundation, and this is in the shade N11. It's not really a contour on my skin tone because it's quite warm. I'm using a flat foundation brush just to kind of like place it where I want it to be. So I'm now gonna bake, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty banana powder with the Sacha Buttercup powder. So I mix these together. The reason why is I feel like Sacha Buttercup is way too yellow for me, like, so I really don't like how it looks on my face, and then the banana powder is like too light for me, so I just like mix them together. I don't know why every time I look on camera it looks like I've got loads of powder on, but honestly in real life it don't look like this. It actually don't look like this. So I'm not going to leave that on for too long, max 5 minutes. So to kind of like bronze up the perimeter of my face, I'm using this powder. Ooh, I'm struggling to open it. This is the Milani pressed powder in the shade, wait, is this the right one? Earth Glow. Then I have another Milani pressed powder, and this one is in the shade Honey Amber. I just kind of like tap this on my face. I don't drag it because you can move your foundation if you do that. I'm gonna dust off that bake now. So I'm now gonna contour my nose. This is a huge palette, but I'm gonna use, which shade am I using? This shade here. So I start like in my brow bone and just drag it down. I'm now going to do blush. I used to actually run away from pink and bled and can't even speak, pink and red blushes, but now like I literally use red blush all the time. I think I'm still kind of afraid to use like hot pink on my face because I just don't know what that would look like on me. So I just kind of like drag it up towards my hairline and then like make sure I've got some on the apples of my cheek, just because of the way my face shape is. It suits me more to have some blush like in the center of my face. I'm gonna put some on the tip of my nose as well because I just like how that looks. I'm using this eyeliner. This is from LA Girl. This is their gel liner. I don't know what the shade is. Very black. They didn't lie, this is literally my favorite eyeliner ever. So I'm just gonna line my waterline with it. It's really creamy, so it's really easy to blend out. And I'm gonna blend that out with like a dark brown. I was gonna do black, but it's gonna make it look like somebody punched me up. I'm making sure to join that up with like that smoky wing that I created. I'm actually going to draw on my beauty marks. I always do this. So I'm now going to use some MAC Fix Plus. This is in Gold Light. It just like kind of like brings you back to life after using powder. Laura Geller highlighter, and this is in the shade Gilded Honey. My one is broken. Like, you want to make it look like it's glowing from within, so I always turn my face like this. Wherever I see like the light hit, that's where I apply my highlighter. And I apply some up here because I can see the light hitting there. So I did feel like I put a bit too much there, so again powder brush comes and fixes things. Just kind of like blend that out a bit. For lip products, I don't know why, literally I always just use NYX products for my lips. And to line my lips, this is their lip liner pencil, and this is in the shade Espresso. I love to overline my lips because I didn't get the big lips that every black person seems to have. So the shade that I normally use, I think it's a little bit lighter than this. This is Beauty Mark by NYX. I normally like using the shade Teddy. Let me see. Yeah, Teddy's a little bit lighter than this, but they're similar. So I'm gonna use this because I love a nude lip. That's all you'll catch me wearing. I'm gonna put on my lashes off of camera because it's long to do it on camera, and I'll come back to you guys. The lashes that I'm wearing are in the style Chloe Elizabeth from Doll Beauty. So yeah, I just wanted to, you know, get in the mood of Valentine's Day, so I put on this satin shirt, put on some ring. This is such a nice look, not just for Valentine's Day but also like just in general date nights and all of that. So thank you guys for watching my first video of 2020. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at dys.beauty, and my Twitter is dys_beauty, and I will see you guys hopefully soon. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Body